AI coding agents can now write code, run tests, and open pull requests. But once you put them inside a real workflow, a different problem shows up. Agents don't fail at coding, they fail at deciding what's worth doing. In real terms, the true state of a project is scattered. The codebase shows what's built, tickets show what was planned, but blockers, dependency changes, and priority shifts live in Slack threads, meetings, and PR conversations. Humans spend hours tracking this, but agents can't. That's why we built Orbit, a live project state layer that turns unstructured updates into something both humans and agents can operate on. We start with a program charter. I put it in, and Orbit converts it into a structured execution graph. Tasks, owners, timelines, and dependencies. Orbit is also connected to Slack and GitHub, so this isn't just a static plan, it's a system that stays in sync with how the team actually works. Now we have a full project board and timeline. But that's not the full picture. Here's a Slack message. Orbit maps that to the right task, proposes marking it as blocked, and flags downstream risks as at risk. Instead of updating silently, it sends a Slack approval. Once approved, the board updates automatically. Once a task is blocked, Orbit can automatically nudge the owner in Slack for an update. This replaces the manual follow-ups PMs and engineers usually have to do, keeping the project moving without constant check-ins. You can also interact with Orbit directly in Slack. For example, Orbit responds using the live project state, so anyone on the team can quickly understand what's going on without digging through tools. Finally, Orbit exposes the state through an MCP server. A coding agent can ask, what should I work on next? Orbit returns the highest priority unblocked task based on dependencies and current state. The agent reads the task context, implements the change, and creates a commit. Then it calls Orbit again to link that commit back to the task, creating a full loop from project to code to traceability. Now agents aren't just generating code, they're working on the right things in sync with the team. Orbit makes agents more capable by giving them real execution context, and it removes human toil by automatically tracking state and coordinating follow-ups. That's what turns agents from isolated tools into real participants in how teams build software.